What if I told you that in 2026, getting rich won't be about working harder, but about knowing how to use AI better than everyone else? Right now, AI is quietly creating new winners, and most people are learning the wrong skills. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Alawiz Ai, and on this channel, we break down artificial intelligence, AI tools, and future-proof skills in a way that actually makes sense. No hype, no fluff. In this video, I'll walk you through 9 AI skills that companies, startups, and clients are already paying for, even if you're a beginner. Stay till the end, because the 9th skill decides whether AI works for you or replaces you. The first skill is prompt engineering. AI is powerful, but it's useless without clear instructions. The same AI can give average results to one person and insane results to another, simply because of how they ask. People who understand prompt engineering save hours, increase output, and get paid to do it.
The second skill is AI automation. Businesses hate repetitive work, emails, reports, customer replies. If you can automate these tasks using AI tools, you instantly become valuable. People are building simple automation systems and charging businesses monthly fees to maintain them. The third skill is data analysis with AI. Data is everywhere, but insight is rare. AI helps you analyze trends, spot patterns, and predict outcomes. If you can turn raw numbers into clear decisions, companies don't see you as optional, they see you as essential. The fourth skill is AI content creation. Not just writing, but creating content that performs. Videos, ads, scripts, thumbnails, posts. Brands don't pay for content, they pay for attention. If you can use AI to create attention at scale, income follows naturally.
The 5th skill is machine learning fundamentals. You don't need to build complex models. You need to understand how AI learns, predicts, and makes decisions. This knowledge separates people who use AI from people who control it. The 6th skill is AI tool stack mastery. The smartest people don't rely on one tool. They know which tool to use and when. Speed, leverage, and efficiency come from stacking tools together, not memorizing features. The 7th skill is using AI for business strategy. AI isn't just for tech people. It helps reduce costs, increase revenue, and predict outcomes. If you can explain how AI improves results, you move from worker to decision maker.
The 8th skill is problem formulation. Most AI failures aren't technical, they're human. AI gives bad results when people ask the wrong question. If you can define the right problem, AI becomes incredibly powerful. This skill alone puts you ahead of most users. The 9th and most important skill is learning how to learn AI. Tools change, models change, platforms disappear. People who adapt never fall behind. This single skill determines whether AI becomes your leverage or your replacement. 2026 won't reward effort, it will reward leverage. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe to Alawiz Ai, and comment which AI skill you're starting with.